my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know that I can. So baby, please don't let me blow. Baby, please don't let me blow. You can't do this, but I know that I can. You gotta do this from the heart. You won't do this, you won't start. I just gotta play the cards in my hand.
What's going on, fam? Welcome back to another video. I just wanted to update you guys on what I just purchased. It's gonna be a huge thing, you know, for the drag strip, and you know, just for our successfulness, you know, going down the track, and you know, just getting the car out of the hole more, and you know, honestly, just making the car just that much more fun of a car, man. I'm literally so stoked for this. So without wasting too much time, man, we are gonna unbox this today. It's gonna be the N2MB WOTBOX, and we have some other additional things for it. So right here, man, I was kind of, you know, surprised on how this came. This is the cable you connect it to the computer, and this is obviously the WOTBOX itself and all the crazy wiring that, you know, we're gonna have to do. So guys, if you guys don't know what this is a whole lot of things in one. This is a two-step. It serves as a no lift shift feature, and it also even serves as a window switch. So as you guys know, a couple months back, you know, when we were finishing the nitrous install, I actually did the window switch myself. The hardest part about the window switch was that I was trying to, you know, get an MSD two-step or this, that I wasn't gonna be able to run a two-step with the window switch without, you know, because the window switch goes off a TPS at full watt, then the nitrous comes on. So if I'm all the way down on the gas at the at the tree, then you know, boom, the nitrous will start firing. So this is gonna allow me to do that. There's a wire on here that connects to the clutch cable, and I mean, not the clutch cable, but the clutch sensor, and that's where this one comes in. So this serves as a window switch. So I'm gonna be pulling the window switch out already, like just completely replacing it with this, and the software I'll show you guys later on. You can control when the nitrous comes on. As soon as the clutch lets out, then the nitrous starts spraying. Instead of, you know, being full throttle, then the nitrous starts spraying. So these things combined is gonna be freaking awesome, man. I cannot wait for the two-step. A lot of guys only buy the WOTBOX just for, you know, flames and stuff like that, but you know, I've never been someone for, you know, something like that. My car used to spit flames by itself on the stock tune, but you know, I wouldn't spend $200 something just for flames, man. So it's gonna do a lot more than that, but plus the flames, so you know, it's kind of a little plus side too. So huge things coming, man. I know you guys are gonna be salty that I did not, you know, install it in this video. You know, that's gonna be the next video, but we have some stuff coming, and you know, I have to wait because I actually ordered a soldering iron, solder, and all that stuff, because I'm gonna have to tap into the ECU, which if you guys want me to show you guys a full install, I will make a long video for you guys on how to install it and stuff like that, because I know some of you guys are gonna buy this just because, you know, you guys are watching me do it, and it's gonna give us great success. I already know it. So yeah, we're gonna be cutting this out completely, wiring this, and this is where I'm gonna be putting the WOTBOX inside. So guys, nitrous switch is coming out, WOTBOX and window switches are going in, and you know, this week's video I just wanted to show you guys what's going on, and just to get you hyped for next week's video. It's gonna be freaking awesome, man. I cannot wait. But now I don't even have a Windows computer, so I'm about to figure that out, you know, to edit the software and stuff like that. We're gonna wait for our soldering stuff to come in, and then we're gonna get to work. So make sure you guys let me know if you guys want me to, you know, install the whole thing, put it on video, and you know, show you guys exactly how to do it and everything like that. I'll be glad to help. You know, it takes a longer time, you know, to install and everything like that, you know, filming. So, you know, if you guys really want that, I will do it for you guys. But yeah, man, I guess I'll looks like a lot of you guys were, you know, interested in the truck last week's video, because I said, you know, I wasn't gonna be recording the truck anymore, and all of you guys were like, no, I still want to see it. So you know, I'll show you guys what we did to the truck, and we'll go on to a little Q&A. So first we're gonna start the car up though real quick, make sure it doesn't die for next week's video. So yeah, man, let's do that. Alright guys, so this is the truck, how it sits. It's still, you know, on the regular tires, regular lift and stuff like that, but you know, it has some jitties on it. So just for starters, we did a little bit of tint on the windshield. We did 70%. On the driver's side and passenger side windows, we went legal. We went to 20%, which 25% is legal in Texas, but you know, you can still see through, so it's not too bad. I usually do limo on all my cars, And in the back, you know, it is literally murdered, which I love. In Texas, you can do that. So back is over factory and it's limo, so you know it's pretty dark. You can see all the reflection and stuff. But you know, as far as that, all the other things we did was, you know, we just did some LED upgrades on the license plate also. You guys can see that beautiful white light and the top over here. Absolutely beautiful. And we did all of the interior lights, and these lights are stupid bright, really beautiful. Some other things I did was I went ahead and ordered the puddle lights, because you guys can see that one's still, you know, real buttery. But I have them inside, but I just haven't really installed them yet because of this right here. Which I don't know why Ford did this, but you guys can see, but right here it is just a cap. So then I got to take the whole mirror apart, wire in the new puddles, so I could have both LED puddles on both sides. And you know, that will be the last of, you know, the halogen stuff on this truck, man. So that's the first thing I usually do to all my vehicles. I usually just outfit them all with LEDs, and then I do tint at first, and you know, some other things. So if you guys want to see future things like that, let me know. I know I told you guys last time, and you know, I got a good response, so I might just start making content on the truck. You know, I just don't want you guys, you know, to, you know, get discouraged and think that, you know, I'm not gonna be making videos on the Mustang no more, and you know, just essentially stop watching all the videos because I'm making videos on the truck. I'm gonna be making videos on both. So this is the tow rig, man. Freaking love it. It's been awesome to me. I will continue to give you guys future updates on the truck because, you know, I know you guys want to see that now, so that's good. So man, without further ado, we will head to the little Q&A part of the section, and you know, I cannot wait for next week's install of the WOTBOX, man. It's gonna be freaking awesome. All right, guys. So first off, starting off, man, we're gonna start on Instagram real quick, and if you know you guys didn't get a chance to, you know, send in a question this time around, just go ahead and follow me on Instagram, and you guys can get in on the next one. So first of all, man, we're gonna start off on Instagram. I got all the pictures right here. You know, all of you guys right here. So first off, man, we're gonna do a little. This guy's asking where the income comes for the channel, for the cars and stuff like that. So where do you work, and what is your source of income? I work in the port of Corpus Christi, man, where I live, and you know, that's a full-time job. I work 24 hours on call, and you know, it sucks sometimes, but you know, it pays the bills, and you know, it pays, you know, my my addiction for cars and, you know, stuff like that. So it gets the job done. How are you feeling? And this is another thing, you know, guys, I wanted to let you guys know about. I never made it apparent on the channel, but like, you know, a couple weeks back, I had got sick, and you know, with this whole, you know, pandemic stuff going around, you guys know that COVID stuff is real, man. It's spreading like wildfire over here, and you know, I ended up getting it. So if you guys don't know, I posted on Instagram, and that I was, you know, infected with it, and a lot of you guys were concerned. I appreciate that. A couple weeks later, man, I got cured, and you know, I was only sick for one day. All the other days I was feeling healthy as a horse, so it was weird, but you know, I got better, and I was gonna make a video on it, you know, just separately, like telling you guys that I had it, but you know, I didn't want to look like I was like seeking attention or anything like that, man. So I just decided not to. I didn't put it in any videos and stuff like that, but you know, since this guy asked, you know, I appreciate you asking how I'm feeling. I'm feeling great, man. Fully recovered. Awesome, man. You guys just stay safe, man, because it's crazy, you know. Man, it's crazy. Okay, and then we have another one. How much did you spend with labor and parts to cam the Mustang? The cams alone, man, with the retainers and the beehive valve springs from Comp, I ended up spending like $1,100, $1,000. And you know, it's kind of hard to say labor wise, because when I did the labor, I did the PI heads, I did long tube headers, I had my motor mounts changed, I had my starter changed, I had, you know, just everything, man. Everything was changed. The whole motor was taken apart, new timing guides, you know, I just did everything, man. Went through the whole motor. That's why I feel like the motor is so good right now, and that's why it's running so good. But for that labor alone, man, I ended up paying like $800. So you know, close to $2,000 on a on a cam job, but cams, heads, you know, stuff like that. Refreshed the motor basically. So you know, top end wise. So that's how much I spent. Do I regret it? Kind of, because I could have been boosted right now, but you know, it's doing good for what it is, and the nitrous, you know, just the motors, it's hustling, man. Next question, what is your end goal for the Mustang? End goal, man, I know you guys probably aren't gonna want to hear this, but you know, I think I am gonna stay stock bottom in with the car, as long as it holds on. If it doesn't hold on, it may become a track monster with a different motor in it. I don't think I'm gonna go built motor anymore. It's just, you know, only time can tell. If the motor holds on, it's probably just gonna stay a 420, 430 wheel horsepower car. But I really want to hit 10s with the car. I want to go full drag suspension and stuff and just make it a 10-second 2-valve stock bottom in. That's what I kind of just made up my mind on, man. Just nitrous car, fun cruiser, and 10-second, you know, drag car. And this guy just literally put F-150 lift. So as far as F-150, man, I really wanted to do a 6-inch lift on 35s, but you know, my dad has a big ass truck, my brother has a big ass truck, and I'm just, you know, tired of the lifted life, man. I used to have a lifted Jeep, and I'm just tired of being so high off the ground all the time, man. This truck is just literally so smooth, and you know, I can drive it across the country, I feel like, and it drives like a Cadillac, and I don't want to take that away from it. So I think I'm just gonna do a leveling kit with some 33s and like some big like American Forces or something like that, man. So you guys can look forward to that. This guy says, what gear do you hit the nitrous when you're racing someone? Every single gear. Yeah, man. The window switch is set up for watt, so as soon as I, you know, step on the gas, you know, it's going balls to the wall all the time. This guy says, should I do a dyno tune or a street Lido tune for my 3-valve with headers, cam, and 410 gear? You know, it honestly just depends, you know, who's your dyno tuner, and if you want to do a street tune, I heard that dude Lido's pretty good for 3-valves. So if you want to do that, man, go ahead, but you know, there's no knocking the dyno tune besides a street tune as long as the tuner knows what they're doing. A dyno tune, you know, you're getting to see what numbers you make with the tune. So either way, man, either way it goes, you'll be in good hands. What are long-term plans for the Mustang? I kind of answered that, you know, 10-second 2-valve cruiser, keeping the car forever, man. I'm never getting rid of it. I promise to God, that car is never going anywhere as long as, you know, it's safe, nothing happens to it, knock on wood, and nothing happens to it. You know, I'm keeping this car in my possession my whole life. Thought about going direct port for nitrous. Nitrous Express actually reached out to me and they said, whenever you want to make big boy numbers, you know, build that bottom end and send us the intake manifold and we'll direct port it for you. And I really want to do that, you know, do like a 300 shot or something like that. That'd be crazy. That'd be crazy. But right now there's really just no need for it. My bottom end can't take more than a 150 shot, and direct port is gonna hit a lot harder. So not right now, man, but you know, if the motor does get built, Nitrous Express got me, bro. Would you suggest a supercharger or a turbo for a 2-valve, possibly with nitrous? Yes, man, for sure. I wouldn't go the bolt-on route, you know, for you guys that are, you know, trying to go fast in your 2-valve. Just, you know, boost it, nitrous, supercharger or turbo. You know, just please don't waste your time, guys, like I did. I learned from it, and you know, if I had to do it again, I would just straight boost it, bro. Straight boost it. But possibly with nitrous, you know, you're not gonna get away with nitrous and boost on a stock bottom end. So I mean, if you have a built bottom end, turbo and nitrous for sure. And will you put blow off valves in the F-150? Not right now, man. It's, you know, it's very reliable, and I don't want to take away from that. The F-150 is awesome. I've been thinking about a tune, you know, just to pick up a little bit extra power. My boy feels dirty with the EcoBoost, so you know, we might be able to see that in the near future. So if you guys want to see that, drop a thumbs up for your boy, and you know, we will do that. Okay, and then we had a little bit on Snapchat. If you guys want to add my Snapchat, there's gonna be a snap code right here. All you guys gotta do is go on Snapchat, hold down the camera button on it, and you guys can add me. So let's switch to Snapchat real quick.
I got my 96 GT right here after I wrecked my other one. But I got full bolt-ons here except for heads and cams. I'm looking to get a tune, and I got my transmission rebuilt. I was just wondering if you think it would be safe to run 100 shot of nitrous through this thing as it is right now. Yeah, man, keep up the good videos, man. That's my question.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you so much. I actually want to start doing this, guys. So if you guys want to add me on Snapchat, you guys can start sending in like videos, and you know, I'll put the video right here just like I just did. And you know, I want to start doing that. So add me on Snap, and then I'll put like a Q&A on here on Snapchat, and you guys just send them in, and you know, I'll put your video on, you know, on video. So if that makes sense. So I didn't remember how much mileage he just said his car had, but you know, I'll review it obviously. But he said besides heads and cam, he has bolt-ons and stuff like that. 100 shot is very, very safe, man, if you do it right. Please get a dyno tune, do cold spark plugs, do like NGK TR6s, and just just get a good dyno tune, man. And I'm not sure if you said auto or manual, but if it's a manual, please do yourself and get a window switch. A window switch will save your life. Just do it the right way, man, and you will love nitrous, I'm telling you. So we had a question from my boy Jordan Ames. If you guys know, that's DBP's homeboy. He said, are you gonna send it and come to Mustang Week now that you have a truck? I've been thinking about it, guys. If you guys are over there on the East Coast and you guys want to see me, come to Mustang Week. You know, I've been thinking about it. It's very, very close, and I know you guys seen that Derek actually got his 2-valve back. He got blue back, man. That's pretty awesome. So, you know, now I gotta go over there, and you know, I gotta put the smack down on DBP just for you boys, man. So, Jordan, I'm thinking about it. I just need a little bit more motivation, man. I don't know how bad, you know, this COVID thing's gonna be in a couple of months. Hopefully it's not too bad, but hopefully it blows over by then, and you know, I really want to. So if the schedule's free and the budget allows it, man, then why not? You know what I mean? I got the truck, I got the car. I'll borrow a trailer or something, man, and we'll full send it, guys. But yeah, man, I'm sorry you guys that we didn't get to install the WOTBOX today, but we will next week, man. So get ready for that video, man. It's gonna be freaking amazing. I cannot wait to hear this thing two-stepping. It's gonna be crazy, man. I'm curious to see if it's still gonna shoot fireballs with those boardless stingers. But yeah, man. Without further ado, it's your boy 4.6Chris. I really appreciate you guys. All you guys sticking with me. I love you guys who love me. We'll see you guys next time. Peace, man.
You can't do this, but I know that I can. Girl, in my dreams, I said I know it. In my dreams, I said I know it. In my dreams, I said